Today we're gonna be unboxing my brand new MacBook Pro. Are y'all ready? Let's get into it. Say your environment dictates your output, but I feel like living in New York City, it's really about your tools. I hit a major milestone at work this week, and with new promotions at work, there comes new responsibilities, as I'm sure you all know and have heard before. So my name is Mel. I work in big tech. I'm an engineer. You may or may not have seen me on your timeline doing a street interview or two. I'm really passionate about life design, maximizing your ROI, building your dream life. So long story short, outside of content and outside of working as an engineer, working one-on-one with the students, my educational consulting business is something I'm deeply passionate about. So if you are interested in booking a free one-on-one call with me, please feel free to do so in the description below. And you should see my top mate link to schedule a call. This is my first unboxing. Welcome to the channel. Fun fact about me, I actually used to watch these videos all the time when I was in elementary school, middle school, even high school. And like, it literally is the reason why I work in tech today. Videos like this inspired me to work in tech because I just thought it was so cool how year over year, new features, new product, new iterations of product optimization, and just new capabilities were ways like businesses generated revenues of millions in dollars and sold hundreds of thousands of models. It just always inspired me. This MacBook is going to completely change my work streams and going to elevate me into this new career, into this new part of my life. So let's actually unbox it. You guys might think I have some type of special tech or special equipment, but I'm really going to be unboxing this shit with a knife. Gotta make sure I pick something nice and sharp. It was about time for a little treat because how better else to start this new role than with this new product to help me, to help improve my optimization, help me with managing my deadlines at work when it comes to engineering and agent testing and output, as well as when it comes to editing content, posting videos, writing descriptions, and engaging all of you in my business day in, day out. Let's get a closer look. So between adjusting with 3 to 4 days back in the office, managing my engineering responsibilities, as well as scaling my online consulting business, I needed a machine that doesn't break a sweat, okay? I was tired of hearing my fans running on my old MacBook, and I genuinely just needed something to help me optimize my workflow. There are times when I'm working on my PC where I literally have 50 Chrome tabs open, as well as Docker containers running in the background, as well as like some music on Spotify playing and PowerShell running all at the same time. And when I was trying to do that on my old MacBook, it was not working out well for me. So just some quick specs on this. I'm not going to bore you with a bunch of details. If you want to see all the specs, please look in the description below. But at a high level, my MacBook is running on an M4 chip with 16 core CPU and 40 core GPU. But the real kicker of this new PC that you guys see sitting right in front of me is that I have 64 gigs of ununified memory. But yeah, you guys, this is my first attempt at an unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it and stuck with me. Anyways, guys, I'm clearly signing on to my MacBook right now, but that's basically the preface of the video. As you can see with this promotion, it's giving new level, new responsibilities, and apparently new laptops. So I'm really excited to be playing around with this thing. If you guys want a full-blown review of this MacBook M4 chip, please let me know. I'll be sure to do that next. You guys just please keep rocking with me. Let me know what other questions you want me to ask people on these street interviews. And if you like content like this, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hype the video. I'm trying to get to 5K before my birthday. And you already know, you guys, I'm an Aries, so we have limited time. Let's get this thing going. So we made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited about this MacBook, you guys. I've literally been watching product reviews and tech reviews since I was in middle school. Matter of fact, elementary school at that. So I know young Mel would literally be shaking and quaking shaking at her boots right now. I'm really excited for this laptop to really help me like optimize my life. This laptop is essentially going to be powering not only my consulting business, my job doing engineering work, as well as my YouTube and content career. So hopefully you guys appreciated my very clumsy first attempt at an unboxing video. Even if you didn't enjoy it or like it, I feel like you should still give a like give a thumbs up, give a comment, subscribe. I hype the video. $4,000 on a laptop in this economy is commitment. So just so y'all know, I'm committed to this. Don't ever say I ain't do nothing, because I'm doing my big one. Okay, bye.